Hi friends! Let me show you how to make these refreshingly delicious blueberry popsicles using just 4 ingredients. The sun is out, so yum is out. Let's get started. Simmer some fresh or frozen blueberries for about a minute or 2 until it begins to pop. Press down to release more of the juice, leaving some of the blueberries whole. Set this aside and cool. In a container, add some vanilla-flavored yogurt, some honey, some vanilla extract, and some fermented probiotic milk or whole milk. All the ingredients will be in the description box below. Mix everything together until smooth. If you're new to this channel, please support by subscribing. I upload videos every week. Now fold in your simmered blueberries. Make sure not to stir too much. Now, finish off by adding the mixture into your popsicle mold. Refrigerate overnight or for about 6 to 7 hours. When it's done, run under warm water for about 10 seconds and pop it out. And ta-da! Your yum is ready. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.